change in ID. Out looking at myself through my eyes and I see the shadow of the past, gasping I breathe to live inside of me. I'm only wishing that I
can be sure,
running out of time, but I
be more,
trying to face who I was
before.
When you look on the inside, what you see is just a mirage looking for the horizon, but it ends in the distance. Battle against yourself is a fight for our resistance. Conformities are rules to the truth of your resistance. And in time, only you can explain the pain of your strain when you aim to maintain. It's all breaking up, nervous system shut down, and there's nothing left to gain. They want you like them, but you wanna change. You look for something different, but they want the same. The past keeps haunting you, the present still taunting you, looking for a future path and stairs just to walk you through. When you become standing, now you're hearing voices. When you can't speak, your soul feels voiceless. All thoughts have words, you just have to voice them. Who can I be with this change in ID? Out looking at myself through my eyes and I see the shadow of the past, gasping I breathe to live